Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the social housing program is gaining momentum, and within the next month, construction should almost double. He was speaking at the handing over ceremony of 4 houses for residents in St. Anne. Krista Campbell has the details.
A stark difference between the place Hyacinth Williams called home for the past 4 years and her newly built house in Brownstown, St. Anne. She is one of 4 persons in the parish to get free housing under a government program designed to help persons living under less than ideal circumstances. Ms. Williams remembers being out on Boxing Day 2018 and returning to see her house on fire. Friends and family have been helping her since.
A daughter parent for me, still there, living on, riding out the storm, still being patient, just to be like Job.
4 years and 2 members of parliament later, a new house in the same spot her previous house once stood in the community of retirement.
So you can say that Elfrida was just living in a couple sheets of zinc that she managed to patch out together. If it rained too hard, it become a sieve. And if the breeze blow too hard, it could become a fan.
I was feeling so good. Tears come to my eyes, but after a word, I just dry it up and say, God is good.
At the handing over ceremony, Prime Minister Andrew Holness reiterated that a census will begin in September, where the state will collect information on persons living under very poor conditions so the social housing program can better assist them. In the meantime, he is fast-tracking construction through help from elected officials.
Last month, I was handing over 1-1, as they call it. 1 house here or 1 house. Today, we have done 6. So now we have said to the MPs, give us all the beneficiaries for the next, 3 years, I believe, bring them forward so that you can start identifying the land space, getting the approvals, signing the agreement to utilize the land. We can find the contractors, and instead of putting out to tender 2, we can put out to tender 10. And the greater the number, the lower the cost because of the economies of scale.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.